Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to give yourself the best chance of not getting hacked on the Houseparty app. So I would like to start this by saying there's no chance that you're going to have 100% possibility of not getting hacked on any account, the Houseparty app or anything in general, because there are definitely ways of hacking into accounts, etc. Like if people can hack into the CIA, which people have, etc., there's definitely a high chance that if they wanted to, they can get into your Houseparty app. But there is definitely steps which you can make it harder for people, so like regular, professional criminals, etc., can get into you and not get into your account. So I'm going to go through them in this video because most of you will probably have seen the rumors been going around saying the Houseparty app's been compromised, that they'll be giving out passwords, which has led people to having like their Snapchats, their Spotify, Netflix, and even potentially their bank accounts being hacked. All of those kind of things you may have seen on Twitter, etc., though, don't really have any proof behind it. Definitely no 100% proof, just like pictures of emails of people trying to log into their accounts, which there is no proof of them saying that there potentially couldn't be like another app that they've had like a data breach. Potentially, because Houseparty themselves have come out and said there has been no data breach. And they would have been inclined to say if there had been a data breach, otherwise they'll get like potentially billions of dollars in fines, because Epic Games, who owns Houseparty, are a $15 billion company, so they won't want to get fired over this bad reputation, and they certainly don't need the money for it. So I'd highly doubt on their end that anything happened, but it is a potential. The most likely thing has happened that people haven't been careful with their passwords, etc. And the people have put two and two together because they've just downloaded the Houseparty app. So they've kind of put the blame on them with no real proof behind it, which isn't a very smart idea to go and out and say, because potentially them two people could get sued. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. But people basically need to change their passwords on all their accounts. That's the best thing you can do. So first of all, you can do that on your phone potentially as well. But I would go one step further than that. My first step will be potentially deleting the app already, as in like deleting the account and then kind of signing up for it. I think that's the best way of going around it, because potentially if there has been a data breach already, you kind of want to get the data off their website, etc. So that would be the best thing in my opinion to do. So how are you going to go ahead and delete that? And I'm going to show you how to do that both on the iPhone and Android, because I know most people won't be able to do it by the simple method. So first of all, I'm going to show you that simple method, and then for the people who can't do it afterwards, I'll explain it. So first of all, you're going to want to click on the top left hand corner with a little smiley face right there, and then click on the cog in the top left hand corner, the pink cog. Get to the settings page, then scroll down to where it says privacy, click on there, and then click on delete account. Then you're going to want to say yes. I'm not going to do it right now, but if you want to say yes, it might tell you to put in your password. If you don't know your password, for whatever reason, you can reset it by logging out. And then they're saying, I will show you how to do that at the end of the video. I will show you how to do all that type of thing. So I will get to that, but you can log out, reset your password, then put it in like that. As long as you know your email, which you can get to by going to the edit profile page, which is back here at the top there. Click on that, you'll be able to see your email. But yeah, you can delete your account like that. So click delete account, yes, and then put in your password, and then say yes, you do want to delete it. Then it will be deleted. Then you can re-sign up again. I will show you how to do that, and also leave a link on the screen telling you how to sign up to the Houseparty app if you don't already. It will say that you can never get your account back, but that's not true. You can even potentially use another email, which might be another good step to do, is use another email which you don't use for anything else, etc. But first of all, like maybe to delete the account will be the best idea. So if you want to go ahead and do that, click delete like this. Or for the people on Android mostly who can't do this, what you're going to want to do is go to your email, type in support@houseparty.com. I'll put the link to that in the description below, like the email. Just copy and paste it into your email there. And what you're going to want to do is tell them that you want your account deleted. You've got to give them your full name, your Houseparty username, your email address, and telephone number. And if you don't know what them things are, you can go into your edit profile, like on the settings page right there, and you're about to see what email you used and all your information, etc. there. So put all those details in. Email saying you want the account deleted, and eventually they will get to it. But it might take them a few days to actually get through everything, because they would have got a hell of an amount of requests over the last few days. So it might take a while for them to do that. But while they're deleting your account, you can create a new one by another email. So if you don't have to create another email, I'll leave a link on the screen, potentially down in the description below, how to create a new Gmail account. It's very simple, it should only take you a few minutes. If you want to keep using the Houseparty app, because there's no reason really why you shouldn't use the Houseparty app after this, because if you're scared of your account getting hacked and all your information, etc., you kind of need to delete all your social media accounts and everything, because there's no real kind of reason why Houseparty would be the reason why everything's like getting hacked, etc. If they even are in the first place, because the same likelihood with Houseparty as any other app. So you should be able to keep on using it if you want to. So those are the things. First of all, if you want to delete your accounts, go ahead and do that. And then if you like don't want to delete your account potentially or for whatever reason, how you're going to change your password on the Houseparty app would be to log out of the Houseparty app. So you're going to log out right here, and then what you're going to want to do is when you click I already have an account, even though potentially you can't get into it. Then you're going to want to do is click forget password. Then it's going to bring up what's your email here, and then you're going to want to go ahead and type in your email there, then click reset password. And then what it's going to do is going to send you an email. It's whatever email you use for this account. And then there, you're going to want to click on a link, and then it will let you reset your password through there. So that's going to be another thing you should do. And in general, across all of your apps, this will give you the chance to do that across all of them, because if you're using your password for one app and using it on other ones as well, then that's the likelihood that you're going to get hacked across all of your accounts. That's probably what most likely people have happened to them. So basically, go through, reset your password. Don't use the same password as you have for other accounts, and go through all your accounts, and then change your password and make sure they're all different, all of them. Make sure they're good quality passwords, like with like capital letters, numbers, etc. Like different types of characters. Don't use like your real first name, etc. Like any other thing would say, together like a long password. That's going to give you the best opportunity to not get hacked in general. So make sure you change your password, potentially delete your account if you want to. So hopefully that made sense and kind of covered everything. Leave a like on the video if that did help you out and you're going to go change your password and get your account more secure now. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click the links on the screen to see more Houseparty how-tos, because yes, I'm still going to be using the Houseparty app because I think it's going to be safe. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.